Here I have OPPO F9. Let me show you how to block calls and messages on this device from some numbers. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, choose settings, scroll down, and here let's find and select the system apps, choose call, and here let's tap block. So here you can block calls if you tap a block calls. So here, for example, you can block calls from marked number, you can block from calls from hidden number, you can block all unknown incoming calls, or you can, for example, block unknown numbers by location of origin. Here you've got the marked number that you can use, for example, suspected fraud and other stuff. Let's go back, and here you can also do the similar thing with messages. You can, for example, use the keywords for spam message, or you can, for example, block message from unknown number. Let's go back. Here you can also use the blacklist, so you can create the blacklist with the numbers that you would like to don't receive any calls and messages. So let's just enter a number if you need something, for example here, tab add, and you want to receive calls and messages from the blacklist numbers. That's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.